As a decorator, it's about finding happiness in your own home kasi I really believe na yung bahay natin, yung environment natin, it really affects our mood, our joy, and our everyday life. Kaya nga ako, I make sure that I create a home that would make me smile every day, a home that has reliable appliances that would make me feel safe. Kaya nga I love my Dia kasi it's a brand that I truly trust. The multi-door smart refrigerator can give you peace of mind kasi alam mo na your food will stay fresh much longer. And when spending time with loved ones dito sa bahay, our My Dia aircon, andyan lang quietly cooling our space para we can be fully present and just enjoy each other's company. I believe happiness will be so much better when shared. Kaya nga when I started my YouTube channel, ang goal ko talaga is to share and to inspire na having a nice home is attainable. Kaya nga favorite moment ko talaga sa makeover is when I see the owner's face, when they see their place for the first time. It really gives me genuine happiness.